Hi everyone, this is Cathleen de Ontiveros, and today I'm going to share with you a yarn haul from Premier Yarns. And this yarn shopping trip happened because I ran out of this bloom yarn. I had purchased it at Walmart, and I was making a cape with a fairy hood that is attached, and I'm going to be sharing that project with you later. But I needed just a little bit more yarn to do the trim and could not find it at any of the Walmarts or online, so I ended up placing an order at Premier. And they had free shipping and they had sales, and you know how that happens. So went ahead and did a good size order. And here is the one skein. They were out of this particular colorway except for the little skein that they had. The normal one has something like 220 yards. This one only had 109 yards, but it's enough to finish my project and will make me happy. So this is supposed to be a self-striping floral print. For the life of me, it didn't matter which stitch I used. I could not get it to look any better than this. But I'm happy. I love the yarn, and I'm going to be embellishing it with some more little flowers. So it will be a really pretty project and something nice to wear in the cool weather that we have here on the East Coast. Again, that was Bloom Chunky, and this print was Snapdragon. And they have other colorways that are still in stock, just not this one right now. I also ordered some Just yarn, which I found out that they stock at the Dollar Tree. I was living in Arizona, as some of you who follow me on Facebook know, of a little tiny town. It was a cowboy town, and I was very happy there on my 5 acres and my gorgeous sunsets and mountain views. But I am now on the East Coast pursuing medical treatment. I'm going to be having surgery hopefully very soon at Johns Hopkins. So I will do a whole video on that because it's a huge long story. But I ordered green and pink, and now I'm going to have to go to the Dollar Tree now that we're living in the city and check out their selection of Just yarn. This one had 131 yards for the pink, 100% acrylic, and 131 yards of the green as well. For $1 each, I thought it was cute to make some flowers. This is Premier Basics. I have never used this yarn before. It is a worsted weight for 359 yards. That seemed like good yardage to me. 7 ounces, 100% acrylic, made in Turkey. Color salmon and chestnut. Again, I thought those would make some pretty flowers for some of the shawls that I'm working on. Trying to get enough yarn to keep me busy through my recovery after surgery. So that's where all of these yarn haul videos are coming for. We're stocking up so that I have plenty to do while I'm recovering. This is Sweet Roll DK, and I purchased 2. Oh my gosh, the label is cut. I hope the yarn is not cut. I will have to check that out. So let's just open this plastic and look. Oh, that's really pretty. So this colorway is Sweet Roll DK, 541 yards in agate. Really pretty colors. Looks like a sunset. I think I purchased a lot of colors that remind me of Arizona and the Arizona sunsets. So we're gonna see a common theme probably. This one is called River Rock. And again, it's got some of these rusts and golds and purples in it. And it has these same details of 541 yards, 4.9 ounces. It is a 3 weight. And again, the color was River Rock. Another Premier yarn, Sweet Roll DK. This one isn't open. Let's open this, get a better view of that yarn. Oh, this is pretty. These are pinks and plums and cream. And these are center pole balls. 100% acrylic, 541 yards. And this colorway is Pink Opal. We have in Tucson, which was about 80 miles from where my property was, and every year they have the rock show. And it takes up a good portion of downtown, and they have tents set up. I think they also take over the fairgrounds. And they have all kinds of gemstones and rocks. I think, no, it's called the Gemstone Show. But it's famous for happening in Tucson every year. And so if you've never been, maybe next year you can come visit. And hopefully I'll be back home by then. But again, that was pink opal. Very pretty. Now we have some coffee shop yarns. I ordered 3 of these. I wanted enough to do a shawl. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, it's very soft. It feels like it has wool in it. Let's see. Oh, it does. 85% acrylic, 15% wool. Coffee shop. It is a 3 light. That looks more than a 3. It's kind of a roving style twist. And the color on this one is called Kona. I love those colors. It's kind of orange and purple and plum and a cream, I think, kind of woven in there. One more of these coffee shop yarns. Let's see this one. Let's open this up a little bit more. Ooh, these are pretty. This colorway is called Grand Canyon. Another Arizona themed yarn. This is blues and kind of rust colors. There's some green in there. Very pretty. I love this. Again, it's a 3 light, 284 yards. The colorway on it was Grand Canyon. And it was one of the coffee shop yarns. Gorgeous. I love it. I cannot wait to do some crochet with me videos, and we get to see how this yarn looks made up. Now these were on sale in a 3-pack. It was 3 for $12 on their clearance page. And it is, let's see, Sweet Roll. This colorway is Frosty Swirl. And this is 245 yards, 5 ounces. And it is a 4-weight yarn. Very pretty. And I have one more color. I bought 2 of the Frosty Swirls, and then I bought 2 packs of this colorway as well, which was also on clearance of 3 skeins for $12. I can get it out. It is, again, the Sweet Roll. This one is in colorway Peaches and Cream. And I really liked this colorway. It has kind of a rosy pink and a medium peach along with the cream color yarn. 245 yards, 5 ounces, 4-weight yarn. And I had bought 2, so I have 6 skeins altogether of this colorway as well. This has been really fun. Thank you for joining me in my Premier Yarn haul that happened all because I needed the 1 skein of yarn. But it's good. It gives me lots of yarn for my projects, and I am going to be really happy to share some more yarn videos with you. Thank you for joining me. Happy crocheting, happy crafting, and I love you guys so much. Bye-bye.